today we're going to read this book, and the title is No Honking Allowed, and is by Stephanie Calmenson. And remember, this is the front cover, the spine, and the back cover of your book. After a ride in my dino car, I like to go fast. I like to go far. Well, we buck our seats belt. That's for safety, you know. Tick. We all are set. Now we can go. I love the sounds my new car makes. Goes the engine. Go the brakes. Slow down, Rex. That's my horn. It's loud as can be. Honk, honk, honk. It's perfect for me. Rex, the sign says no honking. Look at that driver speeding to town. Can I honk to remind her she'd better slow down? No honking allowed. Surprise! I see someone I know. I will honk my horn and wave hello. No honking allowed. There's another sign. That dog walker's leash is all twisted up. I will honk so he will know to untangle his poop. Don't honk. The dog will go wild. That cute buggy with kids passing by. I will make them happy when I honk to say hi. Don't honk. You will scare them. That boombox blasting makes me frown. I will honk and holler, turn it down. A dino's littering? That's really bad. I will honk and tell him it makes me mad. Listen, sirens. Woo, 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 a fire truck's coming. It's got to get through. It's moving. The streets are a mess. I have got to honk now. Stickle, please tell me yes. Honk. One honk didn't help, and the truck's getting near. I must honk again. Long, loud and clear. Hurry. No honking allowed. The fire truck made it. I helped clear the way. Can I honk for happy? What do you say? Rex, honking's for safety. That is a rule. For anything else, Arias isn't cool. Don't worry, Stickle. Take a good look. We are make-believe dinos, and we are in a book. No, please. All right, one. Honk, honk, honk. That was three, Rex. You are losing control. Who, me? No way. Honk to that. No honking allowed. The end. Finish reading this book, and how we noticed Stigo was honking everywhere. And please make sure if you want to honk, you need to see if there is no honking sign before you honk.